spend 48 hours with me in Ottawa. Imagine 200 drones in the sky surrounded by a whole lot of fireworks. I also couldn't believe it until I saw it myself. Welcome to Ottawa, where my 2-day trip turned into pure magic. It's a 5-hour drive from Toronto and my main goal, the famous Tulip Festival. I drove while Raj, the self-declared passenger prince, tried to nap, but with my playlist going, no chance of sleep for him. Halfway there, we stopped in Belleville for Afghani food at Oxus. Chicken shawarma and skewers were so good. And those photos on the wall, they were of the Maman Buddhas destroyed in 2001. A powerful reminder even on a casual road trip like this. Back on the road in the golden hour, RV dreams until I realized that I had no umbrella and yep, it started drizzling. Anyways, we made it to Ottawa. Parking near Commissioner's Park cost us $25 and the lake breeze freezing. Raj was not amused, but tulips wait for no one. Most booths were closed, but the blooms were stunning. Quick history though, the Netherlands gifted tulip bulbs after World War II as thanks, and they still send 10,000 bulbs every year. Then came the show, fireworks bursting, drones painting the sky in sync, tea in hand, tulips behind us, and that's how we got the perfect end to day one. For the stay, we checked into the Hyatt, but honestly, not worth the hype. We ended up ordering Subway as dinner, and trust me, it tasted amazing after that long day. The next morning, still gloomy, we headed to Parliament Hill. Lots of renovation, but the Sentinel flame burning since 1967 was glowing strongly. We explored nearby monuments, admired the Rideau Canal locks still operated by hand. The first highlight of my day 2 has to be Women's Are Persons Monument, honoring the fight for women's rights. Honestly, it was such a powerful moment for me to stand in front of that monument and acknowledge the struggle and strength of women who sacrificed everything only for the bare minimum just to be recognized and to have the rights of a person. Then out of nowhere, a bagpiper procession near the war memorial, probably part of VE Day events. And the biggest surprise and the second highlight of my day 2, the Supreme Court of Canada was open and free for tours. We even stepped into the main courtroom where Canada's biggest cases are heard. Before leaving, I grabbed some shots of Maman, the giant spider outside the National Gallery, and the beautiful Notre-Dame Cathedral Basilica. And that's 48 hours in Ottawa, tulips, history, surprises, and a lot of chai-fueled memories. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and tell me in the comments what's your favorite Ottawa spot.